Hello everybody, Kit here checking in from beautiful Quebec. I'm just in my hotel room about to give you some quick Kit's tips as it is Pride Month and I'm going to give you some tips on how to be prideful of yourself. So first and foremost, I want you guys to celebrate. I want you to celebrate the little stuff and the big stuff, anywhere from waking up and getting out of bed to completing a project. Next, we're talking about mantras. So if you have something that you can tell yourself that's positive in those times when you're feeling kind of down in the dumps, that can be super helpful. It's amazing how positive affirmations can just change our overall mood. I like to look at myself in the mirror and tell myself I love you. After looking in the mirror and saying I love you, we're going to do 3 things. We're going to tell ourselves 5 things we're proud of, 5 things we forgive ourselves for, that one can be tricky, and 5 things we commit ourselves to do today. So try those tips out, celebrate yourself, get some positive mantras going on, and then be proud, forgive yourself, and make a list of some commitments for the day. So there are Kit's tips on how to be proud of yourself.